In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze columns in Smartsheet. Freezing columns is a really handy way to keep important information in view while you scroll horizontally across your sheet. For example, you might want to always see a task name or an ID column even when you're looking at data that's way off to the right. Smartsheet makes this simple to do. First, it's important to know that in Smartsheet, the primary column is frozen by default. This is usually the main identifying column in your sheet, like a task name or project name. You'll notice that as you scroll left and right, that primary column always stays in place. You don't have to do anything to set that up. It's built into the sheet. But often, you'll want more than just that one column to stay visible. Maybe you'd like to always see the due date, the status, or the assigned person along with the primary information. To freeze additional columns, start by moving your mouse up to the header row, where the column names are displayed. Find the header of the column you want to freeze. The header is the top cell of that column, where the column title appears. Once your cursor is over that header, right-click on it. A menu will pop up with several options related to that column. In this menu, look for the option labeled Freeze Column. Go ahead and select that. As soon as you do, Smartsheet will freeze that column along with all the columns to its left. Now, when you scroll horizontally, those frozen columns will stay locked in place on the left side of your screen. If you choose a column that's farther to the right, keep in mind that every column from the primary column up to and including the one you selected will remain visible. This can be really useful for keeping all your key reference fields in view while you explore the rest of your data. If you ever change your mind or want to adjust which columns are frozen, you can simply right-click a different column header and update the freeze setting, or look for the option to unfreeze if you want everything to scroll again. That's all there is to it. By understanding that the primary column is frozen by default and then using the right-click and freeze column option, you can quickly customize your view and make working in Smartsheet much more efficient.